Kick-ass facts! Pew 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 pew! Banana candies taste like pre-1960s bananas. The artificial flavoring was based on a different species of banana than we have today. Today's bananas are mostly the Cavendish variety, but banana flavoring is based on a sweeter strain not grown in bulk today because it's susceptible to a fungus called Panama disease. What is that strain of bananas called? A. Ladyfinger, B. Gros Michel, C. Blue Java, or D. Burro. Buhu if you're fancy. The correct answer is B, Gros Michel. There are more than 1,000 types of bananas grown in more than 135 countries around the world. Many types of bananas cannot be eaten, however, as they contain hard seeds and very little pulp. Let's talk bananas for a minute, because I'm a little vexed, if I'm honest, about the distinct lack of tasty bananas in Canada. Red bananas have a reddish-purple skin, they have light pink-colored flesh, and are much sweeter and softer than the Cavendish. They also have a slight raspberry flavor. Are you kidding me? Blue Java bananas are known as the ice cream banana due to their sweet vanilla flavor and extreme creaminess. The manzano banana is sweeter than Cavendish, but with a hint of crunchy apple strawberry flavor. Burro, or buhu, which means ass or donkey in Portuguese, by the way, ass bananas have a lemony and tangy taste. That's not been my experience. Which makes them one of the most unique types of bananas, and Pisang Raja bananas are popular in Indonesia, featuring a yellow to orange color. They taste like honey-flavored custard with a smooth and creamy consistency. We're getting ripped off. We're getting banana fucked. No, we're not. We're getting... You know what I'm trying to say. There's a fruit that tastes like chocolate pudding. First the bananas and now this. Native to Central and South America, the fruit is called a black sapote, and it tastes like a combination of sweet custard and chocolate. Sebastião Salgado grew up in Brazil, a place of beautiful rainforests. He left home to become a photographer, and when he returned to his hometown, he discovered that 0.5% of forest remained. He then founded the Instituto Terra in 1998, planting more than 2 million seedlings of more than 290 species of trees and plants. In 20 years, 1,500 acres of rainforest had been recovered, 293 species of plants, 15 reptile species, 172 bird species, 15 amphibian species, and 33 mammal species have returned. The average American IQ gain is about 3 points every 10 years, or about 9 points every generation. Worldwide, average human intelligence has increased 20 points in the last 7 years. You wouldn't know it sometimes, though. This is called the Flynn effect, named after the psychologist who first observed the phenomena. Better and easier access to resources and improved living conditions in developing countries has contributed to widespread education, which has allowed us to become smarter on the whole. You want to know why paper cuts suck so bad? No? All right. Birds called black kite. Just kidding. The small size of the cut is what makes it sting so badly. With a larger cut, your red blood cells leap into action to stop the bleeding and start forming the protective scab that covers the sensitive nerve endings. Because paper cuts are so small, they don't bleed much, so you don't form a scab, and it leaves those nerve endings exposed. Birds called the black kite, the whistling kite, and the brown falcon are assholes. They will pick up smoldering debris from the front of a wildfire, fly it a kilometer away before dropping it, effectively spreading the fire. When Smokey Bear was saying only you can prevent forest fires, he should have been talking to the birds instead of terrifying 8-year-olds into thinking that we were responsible for the preservation of forests. Anywho, the reason for the behavior is uncertain, but it is a clear problem for firefighters because these birds can spread a blaze across natural barriers and past man-made fire breaks.